Hey everyone, today we're going to be doing an Ipsy unbagging video, and on the front of this bag it's very summery, Florida-esque, which I miss Florida so much. I can't believe we can't travel like anywhere right now. But yeah, it says escape, little palm trees, it's pink little color, some yellow, adorable. And oh, there's like a little airplane, as you can see, that is on the top of the bag here for the zipper. And we're going to get into this Ipsy bag, see what's inside. And the first thing we have is banana setting powder. That's what the container looks like. Let me open it up. Oh my, how do you get this out? I don't know how to get this out. Oh my goodness, this is really hard to open. I'm so nervous this is gonna go everywhere. Oh, there we go. Okay, I got it. Ooh. And that's it there. But yeah, that's it. It's on my hands. It has like a sparkly shimmer to it. That's nice. The next thing in here is a Ipsy by Petra Honey Sheen Lip Gloss. Why is everything in this Ipsy bag so hard to open? Okay, this isn't so bad. This is not terrible. It's pretty easy to open. Okay, and we'll open the top here, and that's it there. The third item in this Ipsy bag is Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask, Soothe and De-Stress. Directions: apply to clean, dry skin, allow to absorb, tissue off any excess. Okay, so that's it here. It's like a blue color. I don't know if y'all can see that. Can you guys see that? That's it there. Ta-da-da! The third item in this Ipsy bag, Verb Manage and Restore Hydrating Mask. After washing with Verb shampoo, work formula through damp hair. Allow mask to sit on the hair for 5 to 7 minutes. Rinse, use once a week or as needed. So I find they give a lot of products that are similar to these in the Ipsy bag, and got a little seal on it. And that's it there. And the final item in this Ipsy bag is Wise Guy and Gold Mine. So it's eyeshadow. It's Julie's or Jewel Smith Beauty. And that's it there, the eyeshadow. And that is everything in the Ipsy bag that I received for July 2020. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you liked it. Hopefully it was half quick. I try to make my Ipsy videos not so long and lengthy and not so chatty. I just want to show you the products, get on with it, and yeah. Anyway, see you guys.